Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have an awesome video for you. I have the normal, regular, schmegular Pixel 7 unboxing, first impressions, Snow White, 256 gigs. You know what it is, all that good stuff. This is my first ever Google Pixel phone. I went from having nothing but iPhones my whole life to then getting a Note 10 Plus and then riding through all sorts of different Samsung phones until actually really wanting to try that Google experience. So here we are. Now, if you guys do have any questions for my future review video or a comparison video between Samsung or Google, leave those questions in the comments down below. I really like hearing from you guys, and I really look forward to all the neat conversations we get to have in the comments. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so here it is in all its glory, the Google Pixel 7, the regular schmegular version. Very simple boxage, nothing crazy, kind of like an iPhone, just your Google branding and the Google Pixel 7 on the front, with almost like the same exact pull stickers as Apple too, which is interesting. Let me get in here. Very, very clean. Now, how do you guys feel about this whole camera visor thing? I honestly think this looks way better, but with the Pixel 7 Pro, I think it's like anodized differently, so those are already getting very scratched up and whatnot, but this is done, the regular Pixel 7 is done in a different manner, so I think this is actually going to last a lot longer. Let me put this to the side real quick. See what else we get in the box. You got your little smart switching tool, USB-C cable, Google little documentation, and a SIM ejection tool. So nothing too crazy. So I did get this Google Pixel 7 on Google Fi. Google Fi has a lot of different features, I guess you could say, which is odd for like a cell phone company. Like this, for example, isn't even my actual SIM. My SIM is still in my S22 Ultra, but the neat thing is under one line they actually let you have two SIMs, so one for your phone and then one that could be data only. So if you want to dual fist phones, say have like a Fold and a Pixel, or an iPhone and a Fold, or however you want to do it, one phone can have the number in it for work and business purposes, and then the other one could be like a cool little phone that you use for entertainment or whatnot, and it has data with no hotspot. So I really appreciate that, and I appreciate the fact that you can just travel anywhere in the world pretty much and get cell phone service. So huge W. Alright, let me get off that soapbox real quick. Back to the Pixel. Moment of truth here. Yeah. Alright, so right off the bat, I love the size of this thing. I absolutely love the fact that it's a flat display. Only thing that is kind of like a little meh, without even turning the phone on, is how big this bottom bezel seems to be comparatively to the rest of the phone, especially since it's not symmetrical. Like, if they were to have that bottom bezel size and a front-facing speaker on the top and bottom, I think that'd be a huge trade-off a lot of people would be able to make. But yeah, as you could see, maybe you can see in this lighting, my little sweaty hands are not coming up too much on this. The white color seems to be doing a great job of hiding that. I heard the black shows it quite a bit, but so far, the build material, buttons, very clicky. I love the clickiness on that. And yeah, very, very simple, Very clean, very classy. USB-C port, speaker grills, all that good stuff. Now I will say the camera visor does raise up quite a bit more than I anticipated. So that may be an issue when you're getting cases. Maybe it'll sit a little flush, but I think that might add a little bit of bulk to your phone. We shall see. I do have the Bellroy leather case coming up for this, so subscribe if you want to see my little quick review on this case. Alright, let's get her powered up. Nice Google little logo, and then it's probably just gonna have me plug in all my information. You see, I've been rocking like ultra phones and huge phones for so long that I wanted something a little smaller and with a flat screen, and I'm very happy to be having that with this. As you can see, when you have a curved screen, I have a Whitestone dome on this. This is maybe like the 5th screen protector I've gone through, and every time these little edges up here, it just cracks like crazy. And I think having a flat screen and a nice case will stop that from happening. Alright, as you can see, I am going to set this up and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright you guys, that was my quick unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 7. This thing is beautiful. I absolutely love the white color, and I am a fan of what they did with the visor this year. I know the 7 Pro is made of a different material that seems to be getting all scratched up, but this one is very, very nice and such a clean aesthetic. I will be doing an unboxing of the Bellroy case, so if you do want to see this, sub to the channel, leave a like, all that good stuff. It'll be a short, quick little video. I just wanted to make a separate video for this because when I was looking for a case, all I saw were Pixel 7 Pro versions of this, and I wanted to make a regular schmegular video for it. Alright you guys, thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.